multiplication and division of numbers using scientific notation. Here we have a question in which we are going to multiply 3.21 times 10 raised to power minus 11 with another number in scientific notation, 2.3 times 10 raised to power minus 4. Let's get started. Here number is 3.21 times 10 raised to power minus 11 times 2.3 times 10 raised to power minus 4. Just the way we learned in scientific notation of numbers. Here this portion is a portion which involves decimal, so this is called a decimal portion, and here again this is another portion that involves decimal, so that is also a decimal portion here as well. So that is a decimal portion. So we multiply decimal portion with decimal portion and exponent portion with exponent portion. So let's multiply 3.21 times 2.3. This is a separate multiplication of decimal portion part of both scientific numbers, and similarly the portion of scientific notation which involves the exponent, those should be multiplied separately. So this would be 10 raised to power minus 11 times 10 raised to power minus 4. Therefore, now this question is reduced to simple multiplication of decimal fractions on the left side and multiplication of numbers with exponents. So 3.21 times 2.3, if we multiply separately 3.21 times 2.3, so this is 3 times 1 is 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 3 is 6. So here we have 3837, and then we place decimal point after 3 decimal places, because 1 and 2 decimal places here, 1 decimal place here. So the answer for this is 7.383 times 10 raised to power. Now if we are multiplying two numbers with exponents, we know that if they have the same base, which is 10, then the exponents will be added. So this would be minus 11 and minus 4. So this would become 7.383 times 10 raised to power minus 15. And not in this case, but in some cases our decimal point may be after two non-zero digits or 3 non-zero digits, and we need to make some adjustments, but we can make those adjustments not in this case, because here the decimal is right after the first non-zero digit, which is the way it should be. Therefore this is the required product of numbers in scientific form. Here let's do another question, and the second question would be divide the following number. Divide the following number, the following numbers, and of course these numbers are in scientific notation. So here is the number 8.1 times 10 raised to power minus 27. So that's a very, very small number, divided by, so make it clear by placing brackets, divided by 3 times 10 power minus 7. 10 power minus 7. That is also very small number, but not as small as the previous one. So now let's divide these numbers. 8.1 times 10 raised to power minus 27 and divided by 3 times 10 raised to power minus 7. Just the way we did before, the decimal portion must be divided with the decimal portion, and the exponent portion must be divided by the exponent portion. So here it is 8.1 divided by 3 times 10 raised to power minus 27. By the laws of exponent, we know that if 10 raised to power minus 7 will be moved in the numerator, this will become plus. So 10 power plus 7. The exponent will change its sign, and we will have 8.1 divided by 3. If we perform the actual division, this will become 2.7 times 10 raised to power minus 27 plus 7. That is equal to 2.7 times 10 raised to power minus 20. So this is the required result of division of two numbers in scientific notation.